Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how I got my nails to go from this to this using PolyGel for the first time. This video is in partnership with Ava Nails, so I'll be using their PolyGel products. I have 5 different shades, which are natural clear, white, natural pink, nude, and pink. I decided to go with the nude shade, so let's get started. First, I'll be washing and drying my hands, then pushing back my cuticles. Next, I'm going to file my nails and gently buff the surface with a fine grit file. Not too much, but just enough so my nails aren't shiny anymore. Now I'll be cleansing my nails with rubbing alcohol. Now that my nails are prepped, it's time to pick out the right size forms for each nail. You want to make sure they're not too big or small, just the right size so the product can be placed evenly. I decided it was best to shape the cuticle area a little so that the forms will fit the curve of my nail bed better. I'm going to apply a base coat, then cure. I'll be using my 2-headed tool. One side has a brush for sculpting and the other a spatula. I'm going to squeeze some PolyGel out, then slice it with my spatula. This stuff is great because it's not going to drip everywhere and it only dries when it's cured, so you don't have to be in a rush to apply it. Now I'll just be applying it to the form. Then I'm going to use the slip solution. After I dip the brush, I'm going to begin sculpting the gel into an oval nail shape, but you can do whatever shape you want, of course. The directions say to make it thinner near the cuticle and tip and thicker in the middle, so that's what I'm doing. Once I feel the brush starting to stick, I'll dip it again. Also, if you'd like to grab any of these products from Ava Nails, check the link below. You can get 15% off at avanails.com with my code HH15. Now it's time to apply the form to the nail. You want to go in at an angle, starting from the cuticle, then slowly laying it down the nail. Once it's attached, cure for 60 seconds. To remove the form, squeeze the tip, then gently rock back and forth and it should easily pop off. Next, I'll be filing the gel to refine the oval shape. Once that's done, I'm going to apply a gel top coat, then cure. Finishing off, I'm using cuticle oil to replenish my cuticles and keep them hydrated. And that's it! I had a really awesome time doing this. I really appreciate how natural the nails look, and it's really satisfying to remove the form, so I had a lot of fun doing that. If you're wondering about removal, it's pretty easy. Just carefully clip off the gel tip, making sure not to clip your natural nail. Then use a rough file to file the PolyGel until there's only a thin layer. You can also use an e-file if you have one. To get the thin layer off, apply an acetone-soaked cotton ball to the nail and hold it in place with nail clips or foil. Soak for about 10 to 15 minutes, then remove. If you have any stubborn pieces, you can push them off with the cuticle pusher. So that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!